Have you ever been driving on a scorching hot day, only to find that your car's AC isn't doing its job? It's more than just an inconvenience, it could be a sign that your AC compressor is on its last legs. In today's video, we're going to explore the symptoms of a bad AC compressor, helping you identify the problem before it leaves you stranded in the heat. First things first, what exactly is an AC compressor? The compressor is the heart of your car's air conditioning system. It's responsible for pressurizing the refrigerant and circulating it through the AC system, allowing your car to produce that cool air we all crave during the summer months. When the compressor isn't working correctly, the entire AC system is compromised. So, what are the signs that your AC compressor is going bad? Weak or no cool air. One of the most obvious signs of a failing AC compressor is weak or no cool air coming from your vents. If the compressor can't circulate the refrigerant properly, your system won't be able to cool the air. You might notice that the air is lukewarm or just not as cold as it used to be. Loud noises when the AC is on. Another telltale sign is loud noises coming from under the hood when you turn on the AC. A failing compressor can produce a grinding, squealing, or clanking sound. These noises are often a result of internal components failing, such as the bearings or other moving parts. AC system turning on and off frequently. If your AC system turns on and off frequently, it could be due to a failing compressor. The compressor may be overheating or unable to maintain pressure, causing the system to cycle on and off rapidly. This is not only annoying but also harmful to the overall AC system, tripping the circuit breaker. In some cases, a failing AC compressor can draw too much power, causing it to trip the circuit breaker or blow a fuse. If you find that your AC fuse keeps blowing, the compressor might be on its way out. So, what should you do if you notice one or more of these symptoms? The best course of action is to get your car checked by a professional mechanic. AC compressors are complex components, and while it's possible to replace them yourself, it's usually best to leave it to the experts to avoid further damage to your AC system. Don't let a bad AC compressor ruin your summer drives. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, address the issue sooner rather than later. A quick diagnosis and repair can save you time, money, and a lot of sweat. So, there you have it. Let me know in the comment if you are experiencing different symptoms from the above.